Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. I do appreciate each and every one of you who tune in to my channel, for your support, my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and thumbsing up my video, giving me feedback. Thank you guys so much. So guys, from the title, this is a hair update. Haven't done one of these for a while. First off, let's just take a little bit and enjoy this tan that's going on here right now. Let's just appreciate this tan right now, guys. I was on vacation and I just can't help but love this glow that I have right now. And I also got like suckered into buying some eye makeup, which I totally don't regret, but I'm going to talk about that in another video. Now, as you guys see, I have a relaxer. Guys, I got a relaxer at 19 weeks. I know it's really off of my time base as far as having a relaxer, but the only thing I regret is that I did not get to enjoy that bob that I had. It's still a bob, but it's a little longer than how it was. So I got about an inch of hair back, but I'm not complaining. It's because right after I cut my hair, I encountered a setback, guys. You guys know that I had the split ends, and then I got the breakage. The crown was acting up. Well, the crown was already acting up from like months before. So that just kind of like sealed the deal with the breakage and the split ends and all the craziness. And I really had to like nurture that part of my hair back. And something that I was doing frequently was putting my hair in a lot of protective styles. So I wasn't able to show off my little bob, or at least use it whenever I wanted to, because my hair was always in a protective style. I wanted to get the health of the hair back. So by doing a lot of the protective styles, it really helped me to kind of get out of that dark zone. I'm not in the clear yet, but I'm way better than how I was a couple of months ago. Yeah, so with those low manipulation hairstyles, it was just easy to maintain. Really helped my hair to get a little break, take a little rest, and it kind of elongated my stretch, guys. This pretty much was not a planned stretch. It was all because of my hair was in those protective styles, and with me keeping it in for lengthy periods, that just added up. But it really did help. And protective styling, but it depends on the protective style, can really help to elongate your stretch if you really want to stretch out for a little bit, with caution at the same time, because not everyone can stretch to a certain length. I think we all got that out of the way. So don't go trying to get your hair stretched out for like 6 months because someone else did it. No, you may not be as lucky. Your hair could like fall right out. Something that I stayed clear of, which I love so much, my high buns, guys. That was something I totally took out of my regimen, because the crown of my hair was just in its own little space, unruly. The hair was just going crazy. Got the breakage and the split ends kicked in. That was one area of my hair I just did not want to confine or get into an enclosed space. So the best bet was putting it into these box braids where it was able to get some air. My scalp was able to breathe. My crown was in distress, so I needed that area of my hair totally accessible, and that worked out for me. All hair is different, so you do what is needed specifically for your hair and what it actually needs. And another thing, not all protective styles is going to help or elongate a stretch, or even help you along the way if you're having some type of distress in your hair. You really have to pick and choose exactly what your hair is going through and what styles will work as far as doing any type of protective style. The split ends that I accommodated, I had to trim those. You guys know I'm not scared of the scissors at all. So I did frequent trims to my hair, which caused that little portion of my hair to become way shorter than the rest of my hair. Right now that it's relaxed, I gained back some length, so it's really not like stunted up to my scalp anymore, but there's still a lot of work to go on there with it, and I still have a little gap in the back of my hair because of that hair not growing in to reach the full length of the rest of the hair. So not complaining, guys, not complaining. I've been trying to analyze, go back into my journals, see what I've been doing wrong, or see what I've been using, check out my regimen, and it seemed I have a consecutive movement as far as my journal. Things pretty much seemed the same. I wasn't incorporating too much products or changing up things at the same time. Just particularly one product or two products that I kind of incorporated that I had used, which I noticed right after using it, that's where I kind of encountered the split end and the breakage. But then again, I'm not blaming it on any product because this can probably just be human error, as myself mentioning that when I comb my hair into a bun sometimes, I will leave it in for like 3-4 days and stuff once it's looking really nice and neat. That could be one error, which is pretty much an unhealthy practice. So as far as the two products that I kind of discontinued, as I said again, I'm not putting blame on these products or trying to bash it in any way. Of course not, because I know a lot of you probably use this product and it's working for you, and that's perfectly fine. All hair is different. Not all hair is going to adapt to products the same way. You're going to have hiccups here and there, so to each his own. Everyone is going to have different experiences using different types of products. Right now my hair is freshly relaxed. I'm not going to be putting in any type of extensions or whatever in there. I'm going to find an alternative to some type of style that I don't have to use a bun, but you know, I'll work out an easy low maintenance protective style that will be workable for my hair at this point right now. So as far as products, I'm still using the same products. I haven't changed anything up. Most of what I've spoken and told you guys, products that I use in my hair is pretty much the same. Nothing has been incorporated new. The last new product that I picked up was the Olaplex, and nothing else has followed after that. So as far as this fresh relaxer that I have here right now, this is a result of me using the Olaplex after washing out the relaxer from my hair. So as usual, you guys know that I do use the Motions mild relaxer, and this is a already pre-mixed relaxer that I use. I've been using this for a very long time, and you guys know that I do self-relax as well. So this is a process of me that I did for myself. Applause to all of you who do self-relax as well. And after washing out my relaxer, I went in with the ORS neutralizing shampoo, you know, to really cleanse the hair, get all of that chemical and the smell of it out and things like that. And then I followed up with my Olaplex products. So this is pretty much the results of me just using the Olaplex in my hair. I noticed that since I started using the Olaplex, you know, my hair has been retaining moisture a whole lot better. I'm really glad about that, and as you can see, my hair does have a lot of shine to it, and it has a lot of flow and movement. It's not just like, you know, stagnant and just not doing anything there. So yeah, so I have to say that this whole process went by really well. And as far as the Olaplex, really liking that product. I don't use that on a regular basis. You know, I incorporate it here and there into my regimen, and I do use my other products. Now, you guys know that I love Garnier. That's one of my favorite. That's like my staple product. Brazilian Smooth, actually. Tresemme, the Luxurious Moisture. I love those. And Aussie. So these are products that, you know, have stayed in my regimen. I know I'm not like showing it to you guys here, but you know, I'll just do like a little drive-by to where I have them located. Quick little length check. I'm right here. It's still in a bob, but it's a little longer than how it was. So, but again, I would like more to have the health of my hair back than to actually have much of a length. Now, as far as the product that I was telling you guys about, again, I'm gonna make this clear. I am not bashing in any way or trying to put these products under the bus. Just for safety, I just took it out of my regimen just because I saw that it was something that I had used prior leading up to my my setback. As I said, my crown has been messed up for like months before, so this probably doesn't even have nothing to do with it. Not that I'm saying anything. And that is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And the As I Am, this is a Jamaican black castor oil water. Now I know you guys remember me doing a review on this and I spoke about it. It really worked out nice. I had used this product when I had done a protective style at one point, and I used this to like saturate my roots, you know, and that worked out really good at the time, I thought. And I also used it on my actual hair itself, and I did a review on that. I used these both in my hair to moisturizer and things like that. At the time it worked, you know, it moisturized the hair looked really nice. But a couple days after using the product, you know, when the moisture did kind of like soak into the hair, it kind of gave the hair a semi kind of dull look. The hair itself per se was not dry, but it just looked dull. I wasn't reaching for it as much either, because something that I also do, and this might be new to me mentioning it to you guys, I actually date my products like when I pick them up. So if I can show you what this here, I actually had the date of this product when I picked it up, and this was November 14th 2020. That's when I used this product, and the reason for me doing that is to see how frequently I use a product, how fast it finishes, and you know how often I'll need to like probably replenish it, you know. And this is like half a bottle still, so it's like, just get out of here, you know, if it's not being used, you know. And you guys know that I don't use any type of heated tools in my hair either. The most I'll use is my blow dryer. I'm not flat ironing my hair or anything like that, so that's pretty much all off the table. And back to the journal, guys. Yeah, I've mentioned this so many times before in the past. Journals are your friend. Writing things down, keeping notes of it is a great way to stay on track with your hair, and you know, that helped me out so much. I reverted back to my journal to take a look at how my regimen was running, you know, how I was spacing out my wash days or treatment days and stuff like that. There was a little bit of imbalance. I know we're all not perfect, but at the same time there was a consecutive flow with it. So I know that I really wasn't like, you know, having too much of like a hiccup going on with what I was doing with my hair. So yeah, and then I was looking at the products as well, you know, because I have where I, you know, put down products that I like, products that I don't like, things that I'm not going to use again. And unfortunately, yeah, this As I Am kind of like, you know, went down. It moved over onto the not so sure, may not purchase again list. So yeah. As far as my new growths, I was really enjoying feeling my new growths, guys. I'll keep my hand in my hair and I'm like, oh God, this feels so good. I kind of miss it right now. I really kind of like miss how that natural part of my hair feels. What helped me along the way as far as keeping that area manageable, the Lester's S-Curl No Drip. I've spoken about this, guys, a few times. That product really does wonders for my hair. It's a liquid moisturizer, and that really made a difference. My hair felt really nice and soft and manageable. So yeah, that S-Curl No Drip really did help me along with maintaining the manageability of my new growth. And so again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell down below to be notified of all my future videos. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!